morning, everyone. My name is Chef Kendall Brenner. I'm the culinary instructor here at Rockland BOCES, and I'm really excited to bring you some cooking classes via Zoom for the Family Resource Center for their fundraising efforts. And we're going to step over here and show you a couple of the things that we've worked on. So again, one of the great things about BOCES is it's like a test kitchen for us. So we did some different tart applications so that we can see which ones will be the best for you at home. So we did a mini pie shell, we did a medium size, and then these we did in puff pastry. But we'll go over all that the night of. These are the apple pie shots that we have. So we have some graham cracker crumbs with butter and vanilla. We have some apple pie filling, and then we took some heavy cream and whipped it with some fresh maple syrup and vanilla, and then we garnished the top with a little graham cracker crumbs and brown sugar. For the sangria, we have some fresh cut apples with apple cider and sparkling wine, and we sugar rimmed the glass to add a little bit of texture to the drink. So we're looking forward to seeing you guys on November 11th. We're super excited, and we'll see you then.